Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me another great product. I mean, I've already looked at it. It's great. It was sent to me free, and this is a paid shoppable video. Let's get straight to it, shall we? Let's take a look. This, I'm going to turn the camera just so you don't need to look at this pretty face forever. I'm going to turn the camera down here. This is a 68-piece impact driver set. And if you are a tool guy like me, you're gonna love this. So we're gonna open this puppy up. It is heavy. So first off, you have all of your metric, all of your standards, deep well, these are all your metric actually, regular and deep well sockets, all impact. So, I mean, if you're a tool person, you know what impact means. That means you can put them on your impact driver. You can't put the silver ones on your impact. If you're not a tool person and you're doing that, don't do that. Don't put those silver sockets on your impact driver. You'll bust them up and you can get crap in your eyes, whatever. Impact drivers, that's what you need. These are meant to put, go under torque. So, impact drivers, metric, standard, deep well, not deep well. Or all metric right here, sorry. Then down here below, you have all of your standards, deep well, all the way up to 1 1/4. Regular size sockets, and then you have shallow all the way up to 1 1/4 also. You have your extenders here. You have your wobbly. I don't even know what you call that thing, but your multi-angle dude. You do have that. You have a very large extension here. You have an adapter. I mean, this is a really, really nice set. Just look at how heavy duty that thing is. I mean, it's got some heft to it too. That is quality workmanship, guys and gals. If you're a mechanic, you're looking for a nice set, or if you're a spouse or a friend of a mechanic and you're looking for a really nice present to give somebody, this has everything they are going to need in their mechanic's garage. If they're working on cars or things like that, and if they're using an impact tool or an air gun, this has every single metric and standard, deep well, shallow, everything that they're gonna need for their air gun or their tools. So go out, get one of these puppies right away. This is a beautiful, beautiful set of impact wrenches and sockets. I kind of love it.